Okay, alright folks, as you can see I've got the Englander furnace, and I just finished the modifications. As you can see here, I've got my air vents that I put in for the piping. There's one on one side, I got it about halfway open. One on the other side, also about halfway open. I also added a plate into the chimney just above the stove to control the draft. And as you can hear, the furnace is cranking right now. It's been running about 2 hours. It's putting out a lot of heat. And if we take a look inside, you can see that it's burning really well. And if you look up top there, you can see a ton of secondary combustion going on. You can see the jets coming out of the holes that I drilled very clearly. And I went with 1-inch black pipe as the inlet, and that runs all the way down to the back, and then it goes to a 3/4 up through the back and up to the 5 tines that I have at the top. I've got 2 on the corners running down the sides, which are kind of hard to see, and then the 3 in the center. And there is a ton of secondary combustion going on, and I'm hoping to get longer burn times and more output from the stove. I found that I was chewing up a lot of wood, and wasn't real happy with that. Also, I've read about the EPA certification stoves and how they work, so I thought I'd give it a try. As you can see, the front of the stove is right around 200 degrees. The top of the stove, believe it or not, isn't hot. It's lukewarm. And my chimney's in the burn zone there, where we're going to cut down on the creosote. So yeah, it seems to be working really well. If you look at my draft control, it's all the way off on the front. And at the bottom, I have just barely cracked open here. This is open just basically a 1/4 of a turn, or whatever the first turn is. And so yeah, I'm hoping to get some good long burn times out of this. Very happy. It took me a while. It was, didn't do any welding. I used essentially just pieces and parts from Home Depot, some tees, some different sized nipples, and put them together and tossed it in. And there you have it. A close up of the sides, and standard 1-inch valve, 1-inch elbow into the 1-inch pipe. Anyway, thanks for watching.